These are the hole punch dies that they're using. Kind of sort of like our Dinkin dies in a way, but Les says they go through some seriously thick stuff, so might be something we want to look at. Maybe redesigning our Dinkin dies. And again, this is the pneumatic machine that Les said he buys from his contractor for about $2,000. But it comes in the same exact crate that we get ours in, so it's probably the same guy. One thing I noticed is it doesn't have the compensator, but you could always put the compensator back on it if you want it. Anyway, just thought you guys would be impressed with that. Yeah, you're gonna. Wow. Impressive.